Make money from TikTok.
7 ways to get paid for your videos.
Are you looking for ways to make money with TikTok? Well, you're in luck. With the rise of social media influencers, it's never been easier to start making money from the videos you post on TikTok. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, there are a number of ways to make money with your TikTok account. In this blog post, we'll discuss 7 of the most popular ways to get paid for your TikTok videos. Whether you're just starting out or already have a following, these methods can help you make money from your TikTok account. So, let's get started.
1. Become a TikTok partner. Becoming a TikTok partner is the first step. TikTok partners are influencers and content creators who are recognized for their creativity and commitment to the platform. As a TikTok partner, you will have access to a range of monetization opportunities, including sponsored content deals and ad campaigns. To become a TikTok partner, you need to have an established presence on the platform and be consistently creating high-quality content. You also need to have at least 1,000 followers and have reached the 30K hearts milestone, at least 30,000 total likes on all your videos. If you meet these requirements, then you can apply to become a TikTok partner. Once you become a TikTok partner, you can start exploring various monetization opportunities. You can create sponsored content for brands, or launch ad campaigns with companies that want to target your audience. You can also explore other marketing strategies like affiliate links and product reviews. Making money from TikTok doesn't have to be complicated. Becoming a TikTok partner is the first step in the process. With the right approach, you can quickly start earning a passive income from your TikTok videos. 2. Sell products through TikTok. One of the most popular ways to make money on TikTok is by selling products through the platform. This can be done in a variety of ways, including 1. Selling merchandise. If you have your own products or merchandise to sell, you can use TikTok as a platform to promote it. You can create content showcasing your products and link directly to your store or website in the video description. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale that you make. You can find affiliate programs that offer products related to your niche and use TikTok to create promotional videos. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video descriptions so that viewers can click through and purchase the product. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another way to make money on TikTok. It involves selling products from suppliers without ever holding any inventory. You simply promote the product on your TikTok account, and when someone orders it, you contact the supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. These are just a few of the ways that you can make money on TikTok by selling products. If you're looking to get started, be sure to do your research and choose a product or service that you're passionate about and that your followers will be interested in. With some creativity and hard work, you can create a successful business on TikTok. 3. Promote affiliate products on TikTok. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your TikTok account and start earning money from your videos. You can partner with affiliate programs related to the content you create and get paid for any sales or leads you generate. The key to making money with affiliate programs on TikTok is to make sure you are promoting products that are relevant to your audience. This will ensure that you are able to generate conversions and make sales through your affiliate links. When promoting affiliate products, it's important to be transparent and honest about your relationship with the product or service. Make sure you tell your viewers that you are an affiliate and that you will receive a commission if they make a purchase. This will help build trust with your audience and encourage them to buy through your link. You can also promote your affiliate links by creating videos specifically dedicated to the products you are selling. Showcase the features and benefits of the product and why people should purchase it. You can even show yourself using the product in your videos, which can be a great way to engage your audience and build excitement around the product. Once you have set up your affiliate links and created content around the product, you can share it across all of your social media platforms to maximize the potential for conversions. With the right combination of content, promotion, and an engaged audience, you can start generating a good income from your affiliate program on TikTok. 4. Run sponsored ads on TikTok. If you're looking to make money from TikTok, one way to do so is by running sponsored ads. This is a great option for people with a large following, as it can be used to generate extra income and increase exposure. When it comes to running sponsored ads on TikTok, there are 2 main methods that you can use. The first is to work directly with brands or companies to create ads that will appear on your page. You'll need to negotiate the terms of the deal, including the price and length of the ad, before posting it on your page. The other method is to sign up for an ad network like RevContent or AdThrive. These networks are a great way to monetize your content, as they allow you to run ads from multiple companies on your page. you'll typically earn a commission every time someone clicks on one of the ads, so it's important to have good engagement with your followers. Regardless of which method you choose, running sponsored ads on TikTok can be a great way to make money. Just make sure to read the terms of service carefully and adhere to all guidelines provided by the platform. 5. Use TikTok to drive traffic to your other online properties. If you already have an online presence, you can use TikTok to drive traffic to your other online properties. This can be done in a variety of ways. First, you can use TikTok's share feature. You can share the link to your website or blog on your TikTok videos, and viewers can click through to your other online properties. Another way to drive traffic is to use TikTok's link in bio feature. With this, you can add a link to your website or blog in the bio section of your TikTok profile. Every time you post a video, viewers will be able to click through and visit your other online properties. You can also create promotional campaigns on TikTok to drive traffic to your other online properties. For example, you could hold a giveaway or offer discounts for people who visit your website or blog from TikTok. Finally, you can collaborate with influencers and other content creators on TikTok, ask them to mention your website or blog in their videos, and offer them a commission or incentive if they drive traffic to your other online properties. By using these methods, you can use TikTok to drive traffic to your other online properties and increase the reach of your business or brand. Just remember to be creative and have fun with it. 6. By being an influencer. Influencer marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money on TikTok. Influencers on the platform are people with a significant following and a strong engagement rate who can then use their influence to promote products and services to their followers. If you have built up a large and engaged following, then companies may be willing to pay you to promote their products or services. The best way to become an influencer on TikTok is to create quality content that resonates with your followers and encourages them to engage with your videos. You should also be consistent in your posts, making sure you post regularly and often enough for your followers to remember you. Once you have established yourself as an influencer, start building relationships with potential sponsors and companies. You can do this by tagging them in your posts and reaching out to them directly to discuss possible collaboration opportunities. Being an influencer on TikTok requires dedication and hard work, but can be highly rewarding if you are successful. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, you could make a great living by leveraging your influence on the platform. 7. By creating and selling merchandise. Creating and selling merchandise on TikTok can be an excellent way to make money. It's a great option for those who are creative and have some design skills. With the help of third-party services, you can create your own branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, hats, and more. You can then promote these products on your profile and link them to your store page so that people can purchase them. One of the most popular types of merchandise for sale on TikTok is stickers. You can create custom stickers with your own designs and artwork and then offer them for sale through your profile. This is a great way to make money while also providing people with something useful and fun. You can also use third-party services like Printful or Teespring to create and sell merchandise. These services will handle all the production and shipping, allowing you to focus on promoting your items on TikTok. You can also create a separate website or online store to showcase your products, making it easier for people to find them. If you're looking to make money from TikTok, creating and selling merchandise is definitely an option worth considering. With some creativity and effort, you could be well on your way to earning a steady income from selling unique products.